So Sean 3D printed this aquaponic garden thingy, and we're trying it out. So every year in my garden, I like to try something new, like some kind of experiment or some kind of plant I've never done or some kind of new trellis I've never done, just to try something new every year. Well, this year it's this. So some of my other crazy things that I've done over the years, like weird experiments, is one time I grew Chinese python snake beans, and I grew a bean that was 6 foot long, and I won grand champion at the county fair with that bean. So the year before that, I had banana squash volunteer and came up on my fence line, and I just let it grow and trellis on my fence, and I grew a 30-something pound banana squash. And I won grand champion at the fair with that too. So originally Sean printed this, and this was supposed to fit on top of this bucket to hold these contraptions. But this doesn't fit a standard bucket. So instead, we took the lid that the bucket came with and cut a hole in it for this. And we had double this many spots, but this bucket is not strong enough to hold that many. So instead of doing one really tall one, we're going to do short 2 that are 3 sections. So on the package of this rock wool, it says don't pull it apart or it makes like dust. So, and it is really like dusty, so I'm cutting it instead, which is working well. The package said just soak this rock wool for 10 seconds. I've just got it submerged in a bowl of water, and then I'm just pulling it out. And then I've got some little Paris Island lettuce, and I'm putting like 2 or 3 seeds in each little hole. So neither of us know anything about aquaponics or water gardening, but we read some stuff, and so right now I'm putting little cubes of this agricultural rock wool in here, and then putting a few lettuce seeds in it. These little doodads, you turn them and they pop out, and you can see how the water is trickling down in there. So if you have some great wisdom about this, I would love to hear it. So we bought this bucket, we bought a submersible pump and some tubing to go in there. This part is all 3D printed. And then we bought this rock wool cubes that I'm soaking and stuffing down in the bottom of these little cups, and then putting lettuce seeds in there. So I know I'm supposed to put some kind of liquid fertilizer of some kind in the water. If you have a recommendation on that, I would be more than happy to listen. You could just stick that in the comments, because really I don't really know what I'm doing here. So this is an experiment. I would love to know what kind of crazy new projects you have going in your garden or have in the past. I love to hear about fun garden stories. So put those in the comments, and maybe it will inspire someone to try something new. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share so that you can follow this journey, because hopefully I'm gonna end up with some lettuce.